Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Cinnamon Wolfe, and we are going to be talking today about setting up an announcement bar on your Squarespace website. I also would love that if you enjoy this video, just give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe for more helpful Squarespace and Lightroom tips in the future. Okay, so let's get this announcement bar set up. This could not be easier on your Squarespace website, but sometimes it can be a little tricky finding the announcement bar. So this is my website. I am logged in. You can see my settings over here. I am going to click on marketing. That is where your announcement bar is located. Sometimes that's not all that intuitive to know that that's where it is. So you can see right here, the announcement bar is right here. I'm just going to click on it and it will be disabled. And then all you have to do is enable that announcement bar and you will see it pop up at the top of my website. Now I had some stuff in here that I had on my announcement bar from a little while ago. So all I'm going to do is, I'll just show you that right here, you can make this a link so that you can actually click on that link right from the announcement bar. And you can make the entire announcement bar clickable as well by just adding the URL that you want, the announcement bar to redirect to when someone clicks on it. You can just put that right here, or you can link directly to content on your website. So again, you can style the announcement bar a little bit by bold, italicized. Again, you can add links. And if you don't want the announcement bar to show anymore, you can just click disable. Now, also, you can style your announcement bar. So we're going to go ahead and save that. And we're going to go back to design, site styles. And then all we need to do is click up here and you will see that you can change the bar background color. You can change the text color on the bar and you can change the font just like you can with all other places within Squarespace. So I'm going to go ahead and go back and disable my bar since I don't want it to show right at the moment. But you can see it's very easy to show and not show and change the content that's in that announcement bar simply by clicking on that in your marketing tab of your website. All right, I hope you found that video helpful and we'll see you for the next one. Bye.